Tired of playing phone tag with clients? Drowning in a sea of missed appointments and scheduling headaches? What if I told you there's a simple, free way to take control of your calendar, empower your clients to book themselves, and reclaim precious hours in your day? It sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Imagine a world where your appointment book manages it. So, if you're ready to ditch the chaos of manual scheduling and embrace the calm of automation, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through the incredibly simple process of setting up your very own Setmore account. We'll cover everything from the initial sign-up to customizing your booking page, adding your services, and getting ready to welcome your first online bookings. By the end of this, you not only have a fully functional Setmore account, but you'll also have a clear understanding of how this game-changing tool can revolutionize your business operations. Let's dive in. The first step, naturally, is to head over to the Setmore website. You can easily find it by searching for Setmore on Google, or just type setmore.com directly into your browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll immediately notice the prominent Sign Up Free button. That's where our journey begins. Go ahead and click that. You'll then be presented with a few options to sign up. You can choose to sign up with your Google account, which is incredibly convenient if you already use Google services and want a quick setup. Alternatively, you can sign up with your Facebook account, or if you prefer, you can simply use your email address. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's proceed with the email option as it's universally applicable. You'll be prompted to enter your name, email address, and to create a password. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. Once you've filled in these details, click Create Account. Congratulations! You've just taken the first crucial step. Now, Setmore will guide you through a series of introductory questions to help set up your account. This is where you start personalizing your booking experience. First, you'll be asked to provide your business name. This is important as it will appear on your booking page, so make it clear and professional. Next, you'll select your industry. Setmore offers a wide range of industries, from beauty and wellness to consulting, education, and many more. Choosing the correct industry helps Setmore tailor some of its features and recommendations to your specific needs. If your exact industry isn't listed, choose the closest relevant category. After that, you'll be asked about the services you offer. This is a crucial step. You can start by adding a few of your most popular services. For example, if you're a salon, you might add haircut, color, and styling. If you're a consultant, initial consultation and strategy session. You'll be able to add more services and customize them in detail later on. For each service, you'll input the name, a brief description, the duration, and the price. Don't worry if you don't have all the exact details right now. You can always edit these later. Once you've added your initial services, Setmore will ask you to set your working hours. This is vital because it determines when clients can book appointments with you. You can set your standard weekly hours, and you'll have the flexibility to adjust these for specific days or add breaks later. Be realistic about your availability to avoid overbooking or burnout. Next, you'll be prompted to add staff members, if applicable. If you're a solo operation, you can simply list yourself. If you have a team, you can add each team member, assign them to specific services, and even set their individual working hours. This is incredibly powerful for businesses with multiple service providers, as Setmore will automatically manage their individual schedules. Finally, Setmore will ask you to choose your unique booking page URL. This is the link you'll share with your clients so they can book appointments. Aim for something simple, memorable, and relevant to your business name. For instance, if your business is Fantastic Cuts, you might try https://www.google.com/search?q=fantasticcuts.setmore.com. Setmore will tell you if the URL is available. And just like that, you've completed the initial setup of your Setmore account. You'll be directed to your Setmore dashboard, which is your command center for managing appointments, clients, and your business settings. Now let's explore some key areas of your dashboard and how to refine your Setmore account for optimal use. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Let's start with Services. Click on it, and you'll see the services you initially added. This is where you can edit existing services, add new ones, and organize them into categories. For each service, you can fine-tune details like buffer time between appointments, essential for preparation or cleanup, assign specific staff members, and even add service-specific notes for your team. Take your time here to ensure all your offerings are accurately represented. Next, let's go to staff. Here, you can manage your team. For each staff member, you can upload a profile picture, add a short bio, and most importantly, set their individual working hours and days off. This ensures that clients can only book with staff members when they are actually available, preventing scheduling conflicts. You can also assign which services each staff member provides. Calendar is where you'll spend a lot of your time. This is your appointment hub. You can view your schedule by day, week, or month. You can manually add appointments, block out personal time, and see all your upcoming bookings at a glance. When a client books an appointment through your booking page, it will instantly appear here. The Apps and Integrations section is where Setmore truly shines in terms of expanding its capabilities. This is where you can connect Setmore with other tools you use, such as Google Calendar for seamless two-way syncing, ensuring your personal and professional schedules are always aligned. You can also integrate with payment gateways like Square or Stripe to accept online payments for your services, a fantastic way to secure bookings and reduce no-shows. Explore this section to see what integrations can further streamline your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.